Okay, sorry about that, guys. This is gonna be a mini part 2, and that one's gonna be a mini part 1. So this is probably just gonna be like a 3-minute video. What? Don't fly into me. What? Uh-oh. It's probably gonna take longer than I thought. Luckily, I still got something minutes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. If I die again, that's gonna be insane. No! Give me one of those. Let's scream. It's over! Squat. Squat. Well, I can't move. Robot bird babies? What's Wispy Woods gonna do with them? They're feeding Wispy Wood to the birds. What? I thought I got the bird. To be continued. Of course, to be continued. These parts are gonna last forever. Ooh, Revenge of Meta Knight's on. Well, next time I go into the Great Cave Offensive. I don't know what gourmet race is, but it's probably not in the storyline, so I'm going to Great Cave Offensive. So see you guys in part whatever. Part whatever.